Ngayon, so hindi mo na rin talaga kailangan ng maraming practice sessions.
Baga, yung mga amuyan na lang no? Yung kailangan for this Nueva Ecija squad. See what they run. Nice move inside, attracting the double team. Oh, that's a sorry miss. Getting his own miss and the putback. Dan Pascua. Oh, that was De Leon.
They finally secured the rebound but turned the ball over in transition.
Oh, Becky Bell with the sidestep move.
We need to settle down a little bit.
That pinch post action. Oh, Becky Bell gets that.
Ball screen Kasi sa ball screen, meron kang mga naka-ready na schemes dyan Pero sa pinch post kasi, manghuhula ka kung sino yung aatake.
Homegrown Nueva Ecija boys from different schools. They have no scouting report of the Quezon City, but coach said that they'll make use of their 7-piece.
From the side of the Nueva Ecija D Generals. Thank you very much, CJ, for that report. And no scouting report for QC.
Yung hindi mo masyadong inaalala kung ano ba yung gagawin ng kalaban mo. Kasi minsan, if you're relying too much on your scouting report,
this jump shot. Handoff action for that was Quintos,
only player who scored double digits last game for Quezon City.
I believe 11 points for Quintos. Grabe naman yung tira na yun. Back. Tapos naging passion sarili lang.
Pero that was a nice
13. What a rejection coming from Nueva Ecija. Quick basket. Ooh, what a tip in, despite not being, hindi siya hinahanap. Becky Bell sees some space, takes the 3 and makes it. Was Becky Bell with the tap. Going for back-to-back. I think he might have stepped on the line, but that shot counts. It'll have to be a joint effort by everyone boxing out their initial defender.
And even that last one, magkakampi na sila na nandun. Hindi pa rin nila na
strong drive. Becky Bell showing us that he can go inside as well, not just the outside shooting.
And what you can do, I can do better.
Benedict Gaitos with a foul counted play. That was brought to you by Pound for Pound Fitness.
Malaking scoring run yung Nueva Ecija dito.
Gaitos good for Nueva Ecija. QC is pushing it. Going all the way. Ooh, and what a adjustment. That shot.
Uli niya dun sa tira na yun.
Also was worried for that landing spot, to Cruz. Binasag lang ni Cruz, by himself. Feeding his forward once again. Dan Pascua with the layup. And that was possession. No hesitations coming from Timothy Cruz. Pass to the inside. Nice shot coming from Limbo. It's time to Lumbo. Medyo masyado lang mababa.
Yes, it was a little too low for Lumbo.
Broken play turns in. Ooh. What a block. Turning into a fast break.
Dan inagaw lang sa taas.
Block, steal, and rebound all in one go. Here Nueva Ecija again closing the quarter strong.
Commit a turnover above that 3-point area sa top of the key. Most probably, turnover points na agad yun. First time, kaya hindi siya ready nung pagkakataon na yun.
Yung mga defensive adjustments na ginawa nila during the halftime.
Hindi sila makalayo. Kaya, ayan na, ina-attempt na nila na lakihan pa yung lamang nila.
And mukhang confirmed na nga, narinig na tayo. Here, what a great pull-up jumper, cup jumper.
Kasi yung buwelo and yung pwesto nung katawan mo, nakakabila Quezon City. Kasi ayaw na nilang mamagapa tong lamang na to.
It might get out of hand quickly. Is here another turnover. Maliabo drop pass to John. More than doubling their lead in that first half. Has been. I'll see Mark Gulyab answering right back. This time a three-pointer.
Yun naman yung importante. But how was Pascua?
Nice jab step. coming from Dan Pascua.
Pang ilang beses na natin nakita itong Pinoy step na to, pero na-amaze pa rin tayo every time eh.
Nasa galaw na rin talaga ng mga players no, yung Pinoy step.
Kaya perfect talaga na Pinoy step yung tawag.
Pascua with the double team gives it up. Maliabo is open for 3. That is pure. QC by 11 here in the third quarter alone.
Yung offense nila painit na ng painit. Even yung 3-pointers na hindi natin nakikita.
Now it is down to 11 points. 57 to 40. Beating the post. Going all the way here. Ooh, challenged heavily by Jose Mejos. Mark Gabieta.
3 straight turnovers coming from the Nueva Ecija side. No? At ganito naman yung pagbawi.
Mejos.
Pero 3 possession sana yung meron itong Quezon City para makahabol because of
that one goes is still unable to score here. Scoring on the other end, that
grabe na yung struggle ng Quezon City right now offensively. And as soon as I said that, once again,
attacking the middle, Mejos, nice drop pass to Gorea, soft touch, sweet.
Nueva Ecija pumapasok na rin, coming from the big guys.
This is what Nueva Ecija has been doing well. Points from third. Gives it to Pascua. Pascua getting a couple of minutes of rest. And looks like si Santi Romero, Rafa Romero. Naka last touch.
And all those things that you said, yun talaga yung nakasakit para dito sa game na to for QC.
Maliabo finding Dan Pascua. He likes that jab step going to the right. Pull up Jay.
Nueva Ecija had 3 chances nung possession na yan.
Timothy Cruz. 15 seconds of action. Looks like Nueva Ecija has control of this game. Atienza. Again, nice feed inside. And the end one.
Na kapag alam mong magbe-blitz yung depensa, slip mo na lang.
Oh. So Reynaldo gets it across. Becky Bell draws the foul, and one. And of course, foul counted play brought to you by Pound for Pound Fitness.
Every time
another day in the office, normal lang yan para kay Neil. Basketball. It's 1-on-1 between Gorea and Mr. from Quezon City. They force the steal. Nice drop down. Ismael Rimo. That's another treat so far, no, for the 5 games we had this Sunday. Nueva Ecija looking to extend this, and it is a
Ecija. And for Quezon City, obviously a lot of things to work on. Starting with those rebounds.